Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be replacing the flush lever on the toilet. It's about to break. It hung up the other day, so that's a good indicator it's about to snap off. Let's get started. I'll take the old lid off, set it to the side, lay it flat so it doesn't fall over and get broken. See if I can get in here a little closer. Yeah, maybe so. Need to clean the inside of the tank out a little bit, don't I? Oh yeah, it's unthreading is this way. It looks backwards. And then I unclip it. And it may flush, so it's okay if it does. Set the chain out of the way. Pull the nut off. That comes out. And just as I suspected, that's about to break. Not going to last long. There's the replacement, same thing. Unthread it. Go through there. It's a little wiggly, but it'll get in there eventually. And then tighten the threads. And I like to give it a little snug with the adjustable wrench. Just needs to operate freely. And then I forgot to mention earlier, just make note of which hole the chain's in. Mine's in the first one, closest to the handle. And that just clips back in. That should be done. Now my arms were in the way when I was connecting the flapper to the flush lever. Here's a demonstration of what I was doing. First hole, squeeze that in. And it simply hooks on there and clips into place. And then test it out. Perfect. And just my personal preference, I tidied that up where that water line was, where it was a little dirty. And that looks pretty good now. Should be good to go for another while. And then put the lid back on. Everything should be set and ready to go. So once again, this has been replacing the flush lever on a toilet. This one happens to be a crane. Thank you for watching.